Samsung has finally shown off its first triple folding smartphone, the Galaxy Z TriFold. An early unboxing video gives us the clearest look so far at what this unique device offers. While the phone still hasn't launched in the United States, the video shows the design, the display, the accessories, and how the phone works. For anyone curious about Samsung's most futuristic device yet, this unboxing gives a great preview of what to expect. One of the biggest surprises in the unboxing isn't about the screen or the folding design. Instead, it's something many people thought they'd never see again in a flagship box: a charging brick. The Galaxy Z TriFold is expected to cost around $2,500, though final US pricing is still unknown. Since the phone is so expensive, Samsung seems to be adding more value by including accessories that most flagship phones no longer offer. Many high-end devices today come with only a cable. The TriFold's box includes much more. Inside the box, users get a 45-watt charging brick, a USB-C to USB-C cable, a carbon shield case, a SIM ejector, and the usual paperwork. The video also shows another accessory called the carbon standing case, which is sold separately. This case can hold the phone up like a stand, making it useful for watching videos or working hands-free. It shows that Samsung wants the TriFold to be a productivity-focused device, not just a cool gadget. Even though the standing case isn't included, the fact that Samsung adds a charger and a protective case already makes this package better than many recent flagship boxes. The design shown in the video highlights how special this device is. When fully unfolded, the Galaxy Z TriFold becomes a large 10-inch display with a 160x1584 resolution. This gives it the size of a small tablet, making it great for watching videos, editing documents, or multitasking. When folded, it becomes a more traditional smartphone with a 6.5-inch cover screen. The cover display also has an anti-reflective coating that reduces glare outdoors, something many users will appreciate. Since it folds in 3 sections, the TriFold is thicker and heavier than regular phones. It's even bigger than the Galaxy Z Fold 7 when folded. But this extra thickness is expected because the phone transforms into a full-size tablet. You're basically carrying a phone and a tablet in one device, so naturally, it won't be as slim as a normal smartphone. The video also shows how Samsung has optimized the software for such a large and flexible display. Galaxy AI features like Circle to Search work smoothly on the big screen. Multitasking is one of the main selling points of this device. Users can run several apps at the same time, resize windows, and switch layouts quickly. The TriFold is clearly designed for people who want a phone that can replace a laptop or tablet for certain tasks. The specs of the TriFold show that Samsung built this device for power users. It comes with a triple camera system, 600 mAh, battery, 16 GB of RAM, 512 GB of storage, and the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. It also runs Android 16. These specs make the phone powerful enough for heavy multitasking, gaming, editing, and productivity. The large battery is important because powering a 10-inch flexible display requires a lot of energy. The unboxing video also gives early impressions of the build quality. The phone looks premium and well-designed, even if it's bulky. The triple fold mechanism is eye-catching and gives the phone a futuristic look. But it's clear that this device isn't for everyone. It's thicker, heavier, and much more expensive than normal smartphones. It won't fit easily in every pocket, and some people might find it too big for everyday use. A poll connected to the video shows mixed reactions. About half the voters said they'd love to buy the TriFold because they enjoy cutting-edge technology. Others said they might consider it if the price becomes reasonable. Some think it's too expensive or not practical, while around 14% said they'd wait for reviews before deciding. These reactions show that the TriFold is a niche product. It's innovative, but it targets a specific group of users, mainly tech fans and people who want advanced multitasking features. Even if it doesn't become a mass-market success, the TriFold's arrival is a big step in smartphone evolution. Huawei released a triple fold device before, but it never came to the US market. Samsung now has a chance to introduce this new style of device to more people. Samsung has been leading the foldable market for years, and this phone shows how far the company is pushing the technology. The TriFold likely won't replace standard smartphones anytime soon. It's expensive and its design has trade-offs, but it's perfect for people who want a device that can do everything. This phone can act as a phone, a tablet, and even a work device for productivity tasks. For these users, the TriFold might be the most exciting phone Samsung has ever made. The unboxing video makes one thing clear: Samsung is not just experimenting. It is trying to create a new product category. The Galaxy Z TriFold may not be for everyone, but for the right user it could be a powerful all-in-one device that changes how they work and play.